Are you tired of seeing all those ads on YouTube? Do you really think people are making money by doing this? I don't think so. What I'm going to show you today is how to make money on YouTube without running ads. But first, welcome to the channel. My goal is to teach you how to make money online and live the life you want all for free. Now, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're there, smash the like button. Today's video is all about how to make considerable money on YouTube each day without even using Adsense. Now, Adsense is the system that YouTube uses to put ads on videos. YouTube shares the revenue generated from these ads with their creators, like me. The truth, though, is that Adsense doesn't generate a whole lot of money for creators, so naturally I've explored other alternative methods to monetize my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share those with you today. Let me start by saying that it's totally possible to make hundreds of dollars each day on YouTube without Adsense. Now, does this require hundreds of thousands of subscribers? No. Does this require each video to get millions of views? No. Here's the basic formula that I use and you can tap to in as well. And that is, one, I find problems that need solving. And number two, I offer a solution. And that's it. Now, to give you an example, I created a video a while back on whether affiliate marketing with Amazon was dead. The reason I created this video is because I saw a news article stating that Amazon was yet again cutting their affiliate commission rates for their affiliate partners. As you can guess, this resulted in some serious outrage. I mean, after all, many affiliate marketers rely on Amazon to generate revenue for their business. Because I've been doing affiliate marketing for some time now, I knew for a fact that affiliate marketing wasn't dead. I also knew that there were and are other ways to make money via affiliate marketing that don't require Amazon. So I shared my thoughts on why affiliate marketing is still my #1 online business recommendation. And I also included a link in the description of that video to a product and program I've learned a lot from called Partner with Anthony by Anthony Morrison, and I encouraged people to check it out. That was it. No crazy funnel, no millions of views or subscribers. I just found a problem and offered a solution. And the beauty of affiliate marketing, you can check out different websites. You've got ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, where you'll find hundreds of products that solve problems that you can promote. In fact, if you click on the link below, I'll even show you how you can promote the exact course that I've been promoting that's generating revenue for me each and every month. Now, here's the thing. People look to YouTube for reviews to learn more about things they don't understand. So one of the most profitable paths forward is writing reviews and putting up content to share with people what you're learning. This doesn't mean to be within the make money online niche either. You can generate money from your passion. Maybe it's making music or gardening or emergency preparedness or graphic design or computer programming. My guess is that people are actively searching for videos to learn these skills on YouTube. All you've got to do is look for the problem and match it up with products that are a solution. These products can be found on affiliate networks or just through some Google searches. Affiliate marketing is also extremely flexible. Let's say that in a few months you find a more relevant product that solves a more timely problem. The great thing is that you can pivot and start creating content on YouTube around that problem, promoting that product. At the end of the day, you don't need to have a big YouTube channel to make money. People will look at YouTube and all too often think that the only way to monetize is through ads. I hope that this video has made it clear that it isn't necessarily true. Now, if you want to monetize through AdSense, there's nothing wrong with that. It means you do need to do a lot of videos with a lot of views to make that work. I'll end by saying that you can make more money than you can imagine on YouTube. It's possibly by consistently creating content that solves problems, that points people to a specific product that you're an affiliate for. If you aren't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and like and subscribe this one. While you're there, let me know your thoughts in the comment sections. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.